Excuse me, miss.
Oh, I did not know that my protest march was going to be honoured by one of Her Majesty's Navy and such a high-ranking officer. Are you a captain on one of our battleships or just a commode?
Madam, I'm a customs officer.
A customs...
Now, have you anything to declare?
I declare that I am a true loyal... Customs officer? Your head's cut. What are they putting customs officers on the trains to Ballymena for?
Ballymena? This is the Dublin train.
The Dublin train? I'm waiting to take part in a protest march in Ballymena.
Look, I don't care what you're going to do, or indeed where you're going to do it, but this train is going to Dublin.
To Dublin? Then you'll have to stop it and get off, so you will.
Mrs., this is the Enterprise. The train doesn't stop till it arrives in Dublin.
The politicians stop it and I hand them on their own train.
I'm sorry, I can't do that.
Well, by heavens, I'll do it so well.
Did the train stop?
Oh, Effie must have got them to do it.
Emily, brace yourself for a shock.
I tell you, he couldn't go at that speed.
It wasn't me stopped the train. Orange Lily was on the train by mistake. It was her got it stopped. And she's now flying across towards the north like a bird.
What on earth for?
Dressed like the one arriving in Dublin, you married should be lynched.
Lynched? Oh, he was the last Prime Minister there, wasn't he? You know, your friend here has been telling me, very interestingly, that the trouble was solved here at the Battle of the Boyne when King William beat St. Patrick.
How many times have I told you, if you know nothing, will you say nothing? It was not St. Patrick was at the Battle of the Boyne.
Oh?
It was the Pope.
The Pope?
Yes.
What on earth was the Pope doing fighting King William?
Because King William was a probe and the Pope was a tig. The Pope always has to be a tig, in the same way as the Queen always has to be a probe.
Oh?
It's all part of the rules, you see, of the common market.
Oh, I say, that's very interesting.
Do you find it that? Come here, I'll tell you more.
Effie, look out. There it is.
Ah, there it is. God love it. That is the Boyne, where King William had his famous victory.
Oh, so we are in Southern Ireland.
Yeah, isn't it bloody ridiculous? We won the battle, but they got the river.
Oh, waiter, would you like some coffee, Miss Nottingham?
Oh, yes, please.
What about you, Mrs. O'Condriac, some coffee?
Oh, thanks, no, I never touch it. I'll just have a double brandy, if you please.
What about you, Mrs. Beattie?
Oh, well,
Take a drop of sherry wine, pass yourself.
I will, all right. Sherry.
Sherry. Dry?
Oh, no. Wet, if you don't mind.